Hello guys, many people do not know what is COVID-19. COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. It is caused by novel coronavirus because it is a new type of coronavirus which is different from the SARS and also MERS. And this novel coronavirus, it is the virus which has spikes over its surface which are made up of glycoprotein, and it has single stranded RNA, ssRNA. It contains single stranded RNA, and the name corona is derived because of its crown like spikes. And different forms of diseases that are resulted due to various coronavirus are SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Middle East respiratory syndrome, and this one coronavirus disease 2019. And the transmission occurs by respiratory droplets. When the person sneezes or coughs, those droplets will be the culprits which will transmit the disease or this coronavirus. And the symptoms are cold, sore throat, fever, pneumonia, and following mild symptoms like headache and body aches. And the first case of this COVID-19 was found in Wuhan, China in December 2019, late 2019. And the test that will be conducted for the detection of the COVID-19 is RT-PCR, means reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. And what are the precautions that we should take? We should wash our hands with soap for 20 seconds. And next thing, we have to wear a mask which is made up of cloth. And coming to the prevention, vaccine has not yet been discovered. It is under research. Treatment, coming to the treatment, no proper treatment for this COVID-19. And drug, that is hydrochloroquine, which is anti-malarial drug. Present it is potential for it, but it is not scientifically proved yet. So this is all the summary of the coronavirus for today. Let us continue the next topic